Hi guys, I'm Dinithi and today I'm gonna take you guys through the sign in and sign up page I designed for an e-commerce web application using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. So to begin with, here's my sign up page, which obviously includes the basic stuff we've all seen in any other sign up page. So if you are a new user, first we have to create a new account for you. For that, you have to enter your first name, last name, email, password, mobile, and your gender, and then you can sign up. But if you already have an account, then there's no need for you to sign up again. Simply click on this black button in the bottom right corner which says already have an account, sign in. This brings you to my sign in page. So over here, all you have to do is enter your email address and your password and you're good to go. But this also includes two other extra options. First one is the checkbox that says remember me, and this is what remember me basically do. So if you get out of this site without signing out, you'll be signed back in automatically the next time you come back. But if you sign out before leaving this site, it will destroy your saved email and password. So you have to enter this information again the next time you are returning back. And the second one is forgot password. This is just simple as it sounds. So basically, if you cannot remember your password, simply click on forgot password and it will contact you through your email and will help you to change your password to a new one. I'll talk about these functions in another video. So for now, let's basically focus on the designing parts. So here's my code. Here's my HTML code. And this is my style sheet. And this is my JavaScript code. And finally, this is the style sheet provided by Bootstrap. So I started everything by linking all of my other source codes to this HTML code. So over here, as you can see, I've linked both my style sheet as well as the style sheet provided by Bootstrap. And I've linked my JavaScript code at the very end of the body section. Moving back to the web page. So this blue and white image in the background is my main background image, and this is my logo, and this is just another background image. And here's my code. So this is where I use my main background image, and this is where I use my logo, and this is where I used the other background image. And these are the style attributes that I used. And these are the fonts that I used all through my web application: Quicksand and Honey. And over here, by using the asterisk, I've assigned Quicksand as my font for each and everything in my web application. So if I haven't specifically mentioned a font, that element will get Quicksand as its font family, since I've mentioned this on top of everything. And moving back to my web page, this is the header. It contains the logo and hi, welcome to eShop part. And here's the code. So when we are working with Bootstrap, we always have to create a row and work in the columns of it. So that is why I've used rows and columns all the time, as you can see. And this is the content. So I've created the sign up box first. So over here, as you can see, I've created input fields to enter your details with a label that indicates what I'm asking for you to enter. And this is the drop down that I used to get the gender. And I didn't use my style attributes for these ones. So all of these are pure Bootstrap. So this is the content of my sign-in box, and here's the code. But let me talk about the real deal. So over here, as you can see, I've assigned this dnone class to both my sign up box as well as down here to my sign in box. So dnone or display none is basically a class used in Bootstrap to hide elements very easily. And moving on to my script, I've started everything by assigning both my sign up box as well as my sign in box to variables using getElementById function. And then I've used this toggle function to toggle the selected elements between hide and show. And then I've assigned this whole changeView function to both already have an account sign in button over here as well as to new to eShop join now button. So the function will start working as soon as I press one of these buttons. This way we don't have to duplicate the entire code once again with minimal changes to go from one thing to another where both stuff basically contain same things. So when I click on this black button which says already have an account sign in, it hides my sign up box and shows me the sign in box instead. And just like that, when I click on this red button that says new to eShop join now, it hides my sign in box and shows me the sign up box instead. And finally, when it comes to the responsiveness, let me show you. So as you can see, I only focused on both laptop desktop resolution and much smaller resolutions like mobile screens. But I must say, making my web application responsive for various types of resolutions was much more easier thanks to the grid system used in Bootstrap. So yep, that's it. And here's my web page for the very last time. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you all again, and goodbye.